welcome to my channel Byte. Today we are going to talk about classification of tooth resorption. Tooth resorption is the process in which dentin or cementum is resorbed by osteoclasts. Tooth resorption can be classified on the basis of two bases. First base in which we can classify tooth resorption is based on the process of tooth resorption. Second base on which we can classify tooth resorption is based on the site. Tooth resorption based on the process. Tooth resorption based on process can be classified into two types. First is physiological tooth resorption and second type is pathological tooth resorption. Going towards physiological tooth resorption. Physiological tooth resorption is seen in deciduous teeth during eruption of permanent teeth, and this is considered as a normal process as its name suggests, the physiological tooth resorption. Second type of tooth resorption based on process is pathological tooth resorption, because the process involved in this is pathological or pathology. So we can say that pathological tooth resorption can be in deciduous teeth as well as in permanent teeth. So we can say that pathological tooth resorption can be on any of the dentition as compared to physiological tooth resorption, that is on the primary dentition. In pathological tooth resorption, the necessity is the underlying pathology, because that underlying pathology causes the resorption. Tooth resorption can also be classified on the basis of site. On the basis of site, tooth resorption can be classified in two categories. First is internal tooth resorption, second is external tooth resorption. Going towards internal tooth resorption. Internal tooth resorption, as you can see in the diagram, is when the resorption is in the internal surface of tooth, involving first dentin, then may progress towards enamel or cementum. But it is called internal tooth resorption because it starts from the inside of the tooth and spreads outward. Second type of tooth resorption based on site is external tooth resorption. As you can see in the diagram, there is external root resorption. External root resorption is when the resorption is in external surface of tooth, involving first to enamel or cementum. As in this case, you can see that both enamel and cementum are involved in external tooth resorption, and then it progresses towards dentin. So we can say that on the basis of site, there are internal tooth resorption and external tooth resorption. Internal tooth resorption starts from inside, that's why it is called as internal tooth resorption, and external tooth resorption starts from outside, and that's why it is called external tooth resorption. And this is the main difference between internal tooth resorption and external tooth resorption. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment.